Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that. It looks like the bulls are running right now the market. Not just crypto is doing very well, Bitcoin is very close to all-time high, and there was a new record yesterday on the stock market when we're looking at Dow Jones. So yes, the mood is definitely bullish. The second news is going to be about that the Binance trading volume tops all-time high with 37 billion in a day, $37 billion. So there's, again, an all-time high. New records are breaking. And the third news, it's about that Coinbase will suspend all margin trading in the future. So all this in today's video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, but you're really interested in crypto and blockchain, you would like to stay up to date, which is crucial if you are into this industry, even if you are an investor or you're just doing anything with blockchain, it's very important to stay up to date. And for that, you just really have to subscribe to Blockchain Bloom, then hit the notification bell, and then all. And if you like this content, what we're doing here, then definitely hit the like button as well. I highly appreciate it, but it's also great for YouTube that it knows that you like crypto content, and it will help, just grow crypto on YouTube. So you should definitely educate yourself. This is also very important. We have a totally free course, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, okay? The link is right under this video. And there is another very great course. It's all about to understand Bitcoin and blockchain. And Black Friday is coming, and I will put a very great offer on Black Friday. So watch out. On Friday, you will get amazing discount on that course, which you have to pay for. But don't forget, we have the free one as well. Okay, and now let's move on to the market. Let's refresh the freshest. Okay, so right now, Bitcoin says $19,196. This is an increase more than 3% in the last 24 hours. We can see Ethereum dropped a little bit. Even Bitcoin did so, but it's now coming back. Ethereum is almost at 600, just underneath. It's a minus 2.71% in the last 24 hours. When we're looking at the top gainers, we can see altcoins, many of them doing really great. You can see Verge 28%, Stellar 29%, Zilico 24%, and so on and so forth. Many double digits. And when we're looking at the losers, we do remember yesterday, Hedge trade went up like crazy, 100 and something percent, so triple digits. And now, obviously, it's going down now. So it's 63 minus, Bitcoin Gold minus 17%, Synthetics minus 11%, and so on and so forth. Okay, and let's talk about Bitcoin. So as we could see, Bitcoin crossed yesterday, very first time since 2017 December, again 19,000, and it was above it, and then it came back a little bit. But look, it looks like that the bulls are heavily investigate in Bitcoin. They bought up that position. It couldn't drop significantly. It turned back at around 18,600, and now it's again above 19,000. And it could happen that even this week we can see new all-time highs in Bitcoin. So the market looks very bullish. And this is, the first news that Bitcoin price, altcoins, and those set record highs as bull run the market. Now the bulls are dominating. Bitcoin topping 19,400. Yesterday, altcoins are running by triple digits. We could see yesterday that some of them actually went triple digits, but now double digit. Very nice numbers in green. And Dow Jones setting an all-time high at 30,000. That shows that bulls are actually running now the market. And you can see it's not just in crypto. It's not just the Bitcoin price. It's actually now the stock as well. So the mood is bullish and everything looks right now positive. And you can see here that actually the record was $30,046 on Dow Jones, rallied by more than 400 points. And, according to the market analysts, the development of 3 effective COVID-19 vaccines, record low interest rates as part of the Federal Reserve policy, the possibility of a second round of economic stimulus, and the increasing pace of the transition of power between the Trump administration and President-elect Biden are providing much-needed confidence boost to the market. So these are the main factors, the main reasons why the market actually is going up like crazy now. Not just Bitcoin, but other things as well. And look, surprisingly, Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin, but even now you can see that Bitcoin is the one which is really, really close to all-time high. But when you look at this, outperformed Bitcoin price, and over the past week, the top-ranked altcoins entered a parabolic rally, which took the price to the 2020 high at 623. So, this is the top altcoin, really Ethereum. I mean, the second biggest cryptocurrency and the number one altcoin. And now this year's record so far is $623. And you can see this Bitcoin and Ethereum year-to-date performance. So basically from the beginning of 2020. And since the beginning of 2020, Bitcoin went up 165, almost 66%. On the other hand, Ethereum went up 361%. This is crazy. And Ethereum is actually far from its all-time high. So it's very likely that Ethereum can totally outperform Bitcoin in this year, in 2020. And this week has shown that altcoins should not be overlooked either, because now we're focusing on Bitcoin, but we can see that Ethereum, it's around $600 right now, a bit underneath, but it's getting over it because now again the market is turning to green since it was a tiny little drop yesterday. And now the other altcoins are waking up. Now the bigger altcoins, and now then the smaller altcoins, and many of them are making nice gains. You can see here, Verge, look, 47%, Stellar 20%, and all the others I have just shown you even today at the present chart. So right now the market looks definitely bullish, and it's needed because it was very, very weak in September and October. So it's a very normal thing that now after the election and all these things I have just mentioned already turn the market bullish, and now again it's time to make some profit. Obviously sooner or later a drop will come. This is inevitable, but right now let's join the ride. Okay, enjoy the ride. And another very important fact here is that CTO Larson posted that Bitcoin is the most appreciating asset of all human history. Look, if since its start, it went up 2 million X, or in other words, 200 million percentage. So what are we talking about? All this in 12 years. So we're talking about the last 12 years. So if somebody have taken, participated in this in the early stage and holding Bitcoin, or holding Bitcoin for a long time at least, not just like, in and out, or just bought on the peak and then sold it immediately after it dropped, then you making significant gains. And this probably not with these numbers, but definitely the increase, it looks very, very, very likely at the moment. Okay, let's talk about the second news, and this is about the Binance trading volume tops all-time high with 37 billion in a day. And according to the data, CoinMarketCap, the daily trading volume on Binance has now hit 37 billion, 220, 100 million, and so on and so forth, which is a 40.5% in the last 24 hours. This is a very big jump. Last week, the analytics site reported 25 billion in trading volume for Binance. So compared to that, this is a big move. So trading is on. And they're saying that while the exchange is drawing in more trading activity than ever, it is doing so without US users. And this is key because this was another very important news. Several Twitter users based in the US have reported an email from Binance informing them they have 14 days to close their account. And the exchange reportedly said the accounts will be locked if they fail to withdraw all funds before the deadline. Binance has been restricted for users living in the United States since September 2019. So now things getting serious. If you are a normal Binance user, if you're living in the US, your days are numbered. Please don't forget to withdraw your funds from Binance, because then after you can just connect customer service and it's getting a bit more difficult. This is because of these kind of regulations going on in the US. So we can see these huge numbers now, but on the other hand, we can see that it's partly happening without the US citizens. Without US, where actually crypto it's also getting quite big. And this is not just on Binance. There are many exchanges now, people buying Bitcoin. And this is not yet the retail FOMO. It's rather the institutional investors. But of course, now more and more people who hear about Bitcoin, now Bitcoin is getting into the news. You know, here and there you can already hear it, even not crypto-related platforms, but the news is saying that almost there, almost all-time high. Imagine when it hits all-time high and then it making new records, then it will be spread in the media. And after it happens, people will FOMO in, and this will actually push up the price and really start the bull market. And of course, more institutional investors probably will join, but now the professionals are rather the ones who are in the game. And another very important thing is now that Coinbase will suspend all margin trading. The article says tomorrow because it's yesterday's article, but basically today on Wednesday. And the crypto exchange Coinbase plans to end all margin trading effective November on the 25th, so basically today, due to recent regulations by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Okay, so because of the CFTC rules, they kind of decided to do this. They're saying that the San Francisco-based trading platform announced Tuesday that it will prevent customers from placing new margin trades beginning at 2 p.m., which is in the evening, 10 o'clock UTC time, on Wednesday, basically today, while simultaneously canceling any open limit orders. And Coinbase will end the margin trading features entirely next month, once existing positions expire. So no more margin trading on Coinbase. And you know, margin trading, here they're saying that when customer trades on margin, they are effectively borrowing funds from the exchange or broker to cover the cost of an investment in an asset such as a security or cryptocurrency. So basically, you investing an amount what you don't have, so you borrow it. And margin trading, it's definitely not for beginners. You can hurt yourself very much. Imagine you do this margin trading with a 10x, or even some people do it with crazy bigger numbers, and they bet that it will happen for in their favor. So, for example, it's an upward trend. You can do it in a short position as well. But for example, it's an upward trend and they say, okay, now it will gain a lot. And when they say it make it 10x, it 10 times what they bet. I'm sorry, what the money they have invested, because they borrow. But imagine when something goes wrong, and don't forget, cryptocurrency is very volatile. Anytime can something happen that, it changed the market from 1 second to another. I'm not saying that changing so easily the long-term trend, because that looks kind of bullish now. But the daily trend is, or for a couple of weeks or something like that, easily can happen. Then it will drop because it's going up for a while now. So a drop, it's in the air at some point. And if you do something wrong, and then you will be liquidated and you're going then down, and then it's gonna hurt you a lot. So I personally have never done it, and I'm not aiming to do this kind of margin trading. Some people do it, but this is definitely for professionals. However, on Coinbase, this time is over now, because they suspended it now. For how long, we will see, because now these are the new regulations, and of course they don't want to make any mistakes. Interestingly, other exchanges in the US like Kraken also offers margin trading, and they haven't made any moves to stop this. Coinbase is doing it, but it can happen that any day Kraken will decide it as well. Definitely, they have to follow the rules too. So guys, all this in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then smash the like button. Thanks a lot. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I bring you videos every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, every day, you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. The only thing you have to do, subscribe, then hit the notification bell, and then so you get these videos as soon as they out. This is the key now. Now we entering into very important times. Now, the market is very bullish. You can see stock market, Dow Jones performing very well. You can see Bitcoin close to all-time high. It can happen anytime that it's breaking it, and there will be new Bitcoin record. Old season, it's about to start maybe again. Now it all's looking again very bullish and promising. So you don't want to miss any information. And if you are a newbie, then definitely download the How to Start to Invest in Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies course. The link is under this video, and it's free. It's totally free. You just get the information. Just learn, educate yourself. And we have another course, Understanding Blockchain and Crypto. It's also crucial. And this will be on a massive discount on Black Friday. So on this Friday, don't forget, I will give it to you on a huge discount. And yes, it's all because right now, great timing, invest in yourself, and then you can make nice gains in this bull market. But education is the key, so you know what you do. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you a great day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.